Let's face it, we're all looking for shortcuts. Whether it's reaching our destinations faster, making quick money, or achieving success effortlessly. And if you're here, it's because you're hoping to find a shortcut to a flat stomach. If you search for shortcuts to a flat stomach on YouTube, you'll come across numerous videos promising overnight results. These videos have gained immense popularity because viewers believe that the creators, who already have flat stomachs, achieve them through these secret shortcuts. This is fueled by expectation biases, where viewers desperately want the shortcuts to work, often convincing themselves that they see a difference even when they didn't, or the effect is only temporary. These videos promote various gimmicks, from special fat-burning drinks to stomach wraps with magical pastes. However, I'm not here to debunk these so-called shortcuts because there are too many of them. Instead, I want to provide you with a truthful approach to getting a flat stomach without falling for gimmicks. Unfortunately, it's not a quick fix or a major shortcut. It's widely agreed upon that achieving a flat belly comes down to two things: losing weight and burning fat. Regardless of whether you believe in the calorie-in, calorie-out system, the most influential factor in weight change and fat loss is your total daily calorie expenditure. In simple terms, the best way to lose belly fat is to consume fewer calories than you burn. This approach will help you shed those extra pounds you've been struggling with. When combined with proper resistance training, such as weightlifting or calisthenics, you'll preserve your lean mass while losing fat mass more effectively. During weight loss, your body seeks energy sources within itself since you're not providing enough through food. The most abundant and potent energy source is your fat. However, your body doesn't target specific regions of fat, so spot reducing is impossible. Unfortunately, there's no way to specifically target your belly fat. Weight loss can also lead to muscle loss, especially if your exercise primarily consists of low-intensity cardio like jogging on a treadmill. While the calorie counter on the treadmill may seem encouraging, it doesn't account for the potential loss of lean muscle mass. To prevent excessive muscle degradation, you need to provide an effective stimulus to your muscles through resistance training, which triggers hormone release and cell proliferation, protecting your muscle mass. Certain eating methods can further promote fat loss. The ketogenic diet, which reduces carb intake, has shown effectiveness in burning fat. By limiting carbs, your body is forced to rely on fat for energy since carbs are quickly metabolized. Additionally, intermittent fasting, where you fast for up to 16 hours at a time, releases hormones like glucagon and epinephrine, which increase blood glucose levels and break down more fat. However, none of these approaches work unless your energy balance is in check. It doesn't matter how much you avoid carbs, lift heavy weights, or endure long fasts if you consume more calories than you burn. So, feel free to utilize these tools, but make sure you monitor your calorie intake. In the end, don't expect miracles from weird elixirs or magical berries, and certainly don't rely on stomach wraps or plastic. Thank you to all our wonderful supporters. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video.